Hey babies, it's JOYNAVON and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today I'm back with another natural hair video, of course, and this time I'm going to be doing something really exciting. I'm actually going to be reviewing the new line from Creme of Nature. This is their Aloe and Black Castor Oil collection, and I've gotten my hands on this for a while now, and I've just been, kind of testing out some of the products, so I thought it would be cool to come on here and share with you guys my thoughts. Creme of Nature has been one of my favorite brands for a while, and a lot of you guys know that already. I did review their Pure Honey collection when it first came out like a few years ago, and it was one of my staple collections for a while. And let me just say before I even jump into the video that these products are definitely going to be some of my favorites that you're going to be seeing a lot of. So if you're interested in seeing how I use the products and just my overall thoughts on the collection, then definitely keep watching. So this collection comes with 5 products, and the first one is their Healthy and Long Fortifying Shampoo. So this shampoo, for me, I really enjoy it. It is extremely slippery, so yeah, you don't have to worry about that. It suds up my hair extremely, as you guys can see here, and it really did a great job of cleansing my hair. It's conditioning as well, because the aloe is in it, and my hair loves Jamaican black castor oil, so I was extremely hyped about the ingredients in this entire collection because, you guys, Jamaican black castor oil does wonders on my scalp especially. I love like conditioning with it and doing hot oil treatments with it, and just overall like keeping Jamaican black castor oil in my hair. It's also helped me with my edges when my edges were thinning out. So overall, I have no complaints when it comes to the ingredients. So let me just say that right now. So next, I use their strengthening protein treatment. And for protein treatments, I don't use them very often, but this is definitely one that I can say that I noticed an immediate difference in my hair. So a few things to note. Putting the product on my hair, it was extremely slippery, so you might want to be careful. You are supposed to shake the package before you open it and put it in your hair, so make sure you do that. And yeah, it was, you guys, it made my hair so hard, like so hard and crunchy. So you want to make sure that you don't comb through your hair or anything like that as the product sits. You want to make sure that you put this protein treatment on your hair and just kind of leave it alone. Don't put a plastic cap over your head or manipulate your hair whatsoever while you're putting it on. Just follow me in what I'm doing here and just kind of pat it on. After that, after I let it sit for a little while, I went ahead and rinsed it out. And after I rinsed it out, it was an immediate change in my hair and in my, just the overall feel of how my curls felt and looked. It was visibly way more like curly, and it just boosted my hair overall. So right after that, I followed up with the Healthy and Long Fortifying Hair Mask. Now this hair mask, I love this hair mask. I've used this mask a few times already. This is definitely something that I'm going to be using in my hair regularly, probably like at least once a week minimum, because I want to make sure I keep my hair nice and strong, nice and healthy. My scalp feeling great, which, let me say too, these products make my scalp feel amazing. You guys, like, it's so satisfying the way your scalp just feels nice and clean. You ever put a product on your hair and you just know off rip, like, my scalp is enjoying this? Like, it kind of has that, like, it just feels like it's doing something while it's on your head. Not necessarily like a tingly feeling, but some type of sensation on the scalp. And these products definitely do that for me, especially with the hair mask. So I love that. Like, it's definitely one of my new favorite masks. So finally, after washing the mask out after about 3 minutes or so, I took the Reconstructing Anti-Breakage leave-in. Now this leave-in is very similar to me to their Pure Honey leave-in that I have used to death. I love that it comes in a spray bottle. I've mentioned this before too. I love when brands put leave-ins in a spray bottle, especially for daily use, because it's just a lot easier and it's a lot less messy. And with a spray nozzle on it, you can get like direct content to the area of your hair that you're trying to, get the product on. So that's extremely helpful. This is sought out to help reduce shedding as well as fallout. And I'm so happy to say that when I was washing my hair and detangling my hair, because I typically finger detangle only, I don't use a comb in my hair when I'm washing, there was like almost no fallout or almost no breakage in my hair. Like I probably got just a teensy bit of hair that shedded. So I was so excited about that. So it's definitely safe to say that this mask especially has been helping strengthen my hair. Now the last product that I want to mention is their Root Recharge Serum. So I don't typically use serums on my hair, but with this one, I definitely will be adding this to my regular routine because I really just like how it comes in a dropper, and it's going to be beneficial for my scalp especially, and it'll help just recharge my roots, which will help me in the long run with growing my hair, because as you guys know, I'm trying to grow my hair out. I don't want to cut my hair anymore. I want to see how long I can get it to grow. So this is going to help promote fuller, thicker hair and just longer hair overall, which is exactly what I'm looking for right now. This is also great too for someone like me, especially if you are like me with your hair, because it instantly helps with a dry scalp. So you know how you might oil your scalp, a serum is also great for, just touching up any dry areas on your hair that might be flaky or just overall just might be extremely dry. So those are my overall thoughts on the products. Now it's time for me to show you guys how I did this cute hairstyle. I am loving this hairstyle. I decided to flat twist both sides and just do like a twist out at the top. This is extremely easy, extremely versatile too, for like everyday wear, or if you just want to like dress it up, do something funky with your hair, something playful. Let's just go ahead and jump into the tutorial. All right, you guys, so for my style, I'm just starting off by doing my flat twist. So I'm making 3 flat twists on each side of my head. So I'm making sure to detangle my hair first after I've parted it, and then I'm starting on my flat twist. For this, I'm just using the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream. And like I said, I'm only doing 3 of these. You can make as many flat twists on each side as you would like, or as little. You can just do 1, like 1 braid, or 2, 3, 4, 5, how many ever. So now I'm just going to section my hair off in half. So I'm just making a part down, the middle of my head, and then I'm just going to put the back into a bun. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to start off on my 2-strand twist. And again, I'm just using the twisting cream for this, and I'm making sure to detangle my hair as I go along. And now we are on the other side, and I'm just going to do the same exact thing, repeat the same exact steps, and make 3 flat twists on this side as well. All right, so now that that's done, I'm just going to let this dry. And now that my hair is dry, I'm just going to take some water in a spray bottle and spray the back of my head and brush it up, just to make sure that this bun back there is just as neat as possible. And now I'm going to start unraveling my 2-strand twist. So how I'm doing this is I'm just untwisting my hair in the opposite direction of how I twisted it originally, but that's all I'm doing. And once I do this, I'm just going to start fluffing it out. So this part is optional. I decided to separate my twists after I twisted them the first time. If you would like more definition, you can keep it how it was, but I like to fluff out my twist outs just for added volume. And if you notice, I'm not pulling my hair apart all the way to the ends. I'm kind of just separating it at the middle, and this way I don't lose the definition towards the end of my hair. So now I'm just playing with it, trying to get it to fall however I want it to lay. And the last thing I'm going to do is take some bobby pins and secure my hair in place. So now I'm just going to touch up my edges, and I'm using the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Infusion Edge Control. You guys have heard me rave about this edge control forever. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is the style. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this review. If you did, please be sure to let me know down below in the comment section. Also let me know if you'll be purchasing these products or trying them out. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts on everything, especially the hair mask and the shampoo. So please be sure to like this video, follow me over on Instagram at JOYNAVON so you can keep up with my hair, get some more pictures, more views of this look. Please make sure that you check out the description box as well on where you can purchase these products from. Check out Creme of Nature, and until then, I will just have to see you guys in my next video. Bye.